Bow-Wow-Meow, a book written by Blanca Lacasa, illustrated by Gómez, and published by Nube, Ocho. Bow-Wow-Meow. This is the story of Fabio. Fabio is a little dog. Fabio doesn't play fetch. Fabio doesn't bark. Fabio doesn't roll over to have his belly tickled. Fabio doesn't even wag his little tail. That's strange. Fabio doesn't stick his tongue out and pant when he's worn out, because Fabio doesn't run after sticks, and he doesn't chase ball either. Fabio doesn't do anything other dogs do. But Fabio's family still barks at him. They still toss sticks for him. They tickle his belly, they roll around the floor to play with him, and they still try throwing balls for him to chase. Bow wow! Bow wow! Shouts the little boy, Max. Bow wow! Bow wow! Max tries again. But Fabio just stares back silently, looking rather puzzled. Then one night, Max, with his mouth as dried as a bone, gets out of bed to pour himself a glass of water. It's dark, but he can tell that Fabio, the little dog that doesn't bark, is nowhere to be found. That's weird, thinks Max. It's the middle of the night, and Fabio is not curled up somewhere in the house. And night after night, it's always the same. Every time Max hops out of bed, Fabio has performed a vanishing act. Gone, as if by magic. One day, Max, who's a brave young boy, stays awake to find out what's going on. That's when he realizes that Fabio, the little dog who doesn't wag his tail, sneaks out of the house at night. Max discovers that his little dog goes out every night to meet up with a bunch of cats. Cats that definitely do things that other cats do. Fabio, the special little dog, sharpens his claws, climbs up drain pipes, chases mice. Fabio gets tangled up in balls of yarn. He jumps from rooftops and he climbs up trees. Fabio even bow-wow-meows, something like a howl crossed with a meow. Bow-wow-meow! Every night he meets up with his kitty pals to do what all cats of the world do, whatever they please. From his hiding place, Max keeps a keen eye on his dog. Fabio looks so happy. After a while, Max walks home slowly, treading softly, lost in thought. The next morning, everything is the same as usual. Mom greets Fabio with a couple of loud bow wow. Nothing works. Nothing seems to grab poor little Fabio's attention. Until along comes Max, and without giving it a second thought, he fills up a dish with milk, while bow-wow-meowing softly so no one else can hear him. All of a sudden, Fabio leaps to his feet and looks up at Max with eyes as wide as dinner plates. Fabio starts to purr and rubs his head against Max's legs. Max smiles. Fabio is happy. At last. The end.